Alright, I'm here with another layout. My background is basil citrus slice smooth cardstock. That stripe, I have a stripe layer. I'm using my picture because I had already done this because the cats were in my way. So now I have to take a picture of how I had it laid down so I can do it again. So that striped piece is from Pink Paisley's Paige Evans, number 8, Fifth and Monaco. The floral layer is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans, number 3, Fifth and Monaco. I have a black and white striped layer, which is from Miss Modern Stamp Market. And I have details as far as what size I cut everything to, and specific die cuts that went with what manufacturer or whatever, and on my blog. So, and let's see here. I have a floral sticker, soda and ice cream, which is the Dear Lizzie stickers. And then my floral stickers. Those are Pink Paisley's Fifth and Monaco. I might take a shower a little bit so I can get rid of my headache. That sometimes helps. And I do use some chipboard stickers as well, which are from Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story, and that came in the April kit. And High and Summer Memories, that is American Craftsman stickers. Oh, and that clear acetate is from Maggie Holmes as well. But all these florals and stuff are all and once I get all of this down, I believe I did white splatters on this one as well. Cocoa whining. Started her wine, I think her joints are starting to bother her for some reason. She's been doing really good. I give her these drops that'll keep them chewy. Alright, and once I get these down, then that is all I do for this layout. And so when we're done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.